Ebusuya for me mamo akwaba shonko eba too much GH. Munyaba musumfo na ama owusua enye na dane dano eye enkomo na mfamemu de yekeka ene de ate na mde betodwa ewo too much GH ahase so na wo a wo hwe so betimi enye bi ate. Sesi ade eye reporter a free parliament eba HSA Minister of Health Mr. Peter Manu sesi ada ya geno ato eye University of Ghana Medical Center honum ninia ejuna eye positive case coronavirus no wa tested positive for enunti ena ya geno ato.
So Ghana's health minister, yes, Agyeman Manu, is recovering in hospital after testing positive for COVID-19. Now, Oshemwa, Ghana health minister ina yinim na chese papa or born homoden recently crown World Health Organization for appointing. Yes, the health minister himself, Agyeman Manu, to see adie wenya coronavirus nibi, wenya COVID-19 nibi na owo UGMC University of Ghana Medical Center hona or share na see adie na chese or self-isolation mu na chese almost in a condition no he's in a stable condition now sha or no na MP Emma Doma Central yes na da benede ya twemu ya na ye to University of Ghana Medical Center na meka will say there are 4 patients more intensive care unit ho ewo University of Ghana Medical Center ho so honorable the health minister there on ni ICU yes he's in a stable condition currently after testing for positive for COVID-19 uhwemua enye ononkwa na ye MP wenye bi esanse onimanyamfo osai cheimensa bonsu lamente recently say there are some parliamentary staffs and some parliamentary members via omo tested positive but they refused to self-isolate and then onimanyamfo osai cheimensa bonsu na ni abre na tese all Canadian say ebeya MP na say o tested positive na wa isolate ho yebeka enso a the mayor for secondary Takrade Metropolitan Assembly in the Western region yes the DNA Anthony KK Sam ononso no nyame fofie antoata we free atiasefo asase so na tese odonfo nyame wa befa na free atiasefo asase so enintino na dodo na say coronavirus na ekun no na enso a source at UGMC in Accra ononso atimi ahyemu kena say the MCE of secondary Takrade no na tese ne yare no na compounded by a failure of the lung yes na tese amount focus coronavirus na tese omunim ni omoka omunansi bibiso entina omoka well so that is it currently health minister of Ghana Agyeman Manu yes he has tested positive for COVID-19 na yagena to UGMC say yeah self isolating and he is in a stable condition yes say yankopon say obeko so abono ho ban peace
ena yageno ato ho asemwe ebeto da ne Ghana for say na den na air cost we say onu emu a wogina hot say ya pomudun nsem nya ehye ne status wo hwe etoto nyama yie man no so etimi atest positive na Ghana ha ye ko anasa ye ba ye ka okon a ye ko etia coronavirus no bien pa ene ya fon ye din kunu anasa hwea na ye hwea se na asat na wa menemu edin common coronavirus cases no apeja ne musu pa e wo Ghana ha ye keka tisi ade ye positive cases ya record e wo ye man mu ejina 10,358 na biem so no 3,824 recoveries and yenya so far no woni de say ade de number no emu apeda kakra ye wo no akodru 40 otimu say enye tesenya small issue game say ade mu ayedin pa say yare no tra na etre do say man peni ede chehye ato wakika ensem ate say etre say yare no ye ku etia na so kwa na ekoso da ne da any cases ebekam na say ye minister ye say ade ye say woda University of Ghana Medical Center Mr. Manu otimu say ne de num de emu nheda enye de ye wokofo for more critical condition ade say what say ade water ventilator so ba ne de or isolation all receiving medical care otimu say emu nye de we normal ye COVID-19 patient na ni nyemu ye bompa ye ejine say bibi abeko ye na de ma asem no eye hu ne say honorable che mensa wo de abeto dwa say ye parliament ho a wo mkomu enhyemu da no kofo ewo ho eye MPs ni ministers for ni bia ya mo be hyemu ewo ho no we mu bi ewo eye coronavirus ni bia ma test positive at say wo mo pese wo status no ebe known to eye wo makasa wo colleagues po a wo no parliament nanka Ghana fompo atibi enti anu nti ama parliament akokra no aye danger because wo bi wo ha wo pese obeka na tese de meto isolation na tese quarantine na wo nsema ba bebe no pese obi bete ebi so ehu ni say stigmatization nti and wo maka wo ma no atuma mo pese eye wo status no ebe no but wo say yare coronavirus there so wo bi na wo ben wo no tese mudu empunumpu a etimi eto bidia positive getting a positive case of coronavirus na easy obi timi efa bibi ojatu on outside on sakoka wa na wo so wenye bi obi timi ra dan puna wo bie no wode ne say bie keka wo remu wa wo so di echi a woni case ni bi no wotimi de sakoka na wo so etimi nya positive case nta mana ye hu say parliament wa ye wo no ye enkofo wo ya reni bi nanso wo mo nya akokudro say wo meba abonti abeka say me positive ne tete ya follow up with isolation ne the ekeka on medication no ebetimi atwa so etima ensure o mapomude ebiom so no enche bia na ye MCE for second D or beto dwa say we free mu na eba abonti no na tese doctors wo mo hwe no mo kire mu say lung problems be man no ewie na so report so yatete won from mu say doctor Sabeka say lung problem kra no timi so timi connect coronavirus man because coronavirus no humye mu yare respiratory problem nti say onya lung problem na te say ada coronavirus so na trend ya na say betimi dia target no say na report no be trend nti wo mo say wono so Mr. KK Sama is that they we wu no wo mo say coronavirus na if man no efi atase for asase so na honorable Manu edia abeide Ghana for who say very dangerous because ono ye minister of health and culture say all the measures precautions necessary precautions that to just say you taking kono there or you're so very aware of it that they say ko betime aye emu bia say ye hurry and say you use hand sanitizers say you use nose mask any avoiding social gatherings no nkai normal things like that onu po na woni penifort na se wo hihye nte ba ne sen ena onu so timinya yare ni bi test positive amana yehu amagana for ebi esuro sesi ade amene wo eka se bi bisa say are the government and the big people in the industry are they being real to us because say wono our health minister any other doctors and nurses medical servants be etimi enya coronavirus ni bia na Ghana ha no the numbers are talking of ade bia da rise utimi da sorry na over 1,000 people abed joining positive cases na better say ebi wo ye ntema ye nyima na say dem pa and community it is time the president and his government they come out raw to the people and tell us what is actually going on in their nation and ebi mo so no enkofo bi so keka say ebetima ba ne say wrong report because honorable Peter Manu there aside me the Jumedia wodi as MP no MP for Doma Central no was a minister of health nti e ba no sa coronavirus no the real esitie ya run timi dane any sanimana nko so aware of it enunti e ba ne say na ya reno etimi e kana ate say hefa pan okọ ya okonya nti ya say nkofo bebre na adwen ayomo entata sisi ana ye Ghana ha the abedru ni say ade health minister enya ya reni bi enunti hanga na for so de na ye ya renu ye ko akoyenim anase ye ko asanyechi de na koso ewo ye mamu adwindi a wo fa ensem we fatodwa ewo too much comment na nsa na ibedu wono ma menkenka adwintwe bia abetodwa ewo ha se efa honorable Peter Manu me coronavirus status asisi a abetodwa say positive ama enom enso enunti oda University of Ghana Legon Medical Center honon ma menkenka comment ni bi enche for ne ahwefo we efi when you say well, so this is the state of our nation. The health minister also tests positive. What at all is our position as Ghanaians? I'm an average Ghanaian and now I don't know if I am positive or not. What are they doing about the testing and all that? Wobisa and say, na say health minister onwa mu na say that ya reni etimi achina na yen a ye gina Ghana as regular Ghanaians that say ye de yekọ ye ba ye hye nim de yekọ ye hye nim say ye test ye bipo no de na betimi enhu say ye obi ana say ye ni bi we su efi bright bullet ono say this is political COVID-19 patient. You can't fool some people sometimes, but you can fool all the people all the time. Ono tun nu say we dey acquire politics COVID-19 is say dey political game e dey ema onu ankasa emu label babe so there what they about it. I don't know if this is from the NDC, but if this is true, it is no joke. The government should do something about the nation. So when say political tricks be and ye play our mind Ghana for so when say dom kuma for no and wo mo pe kwan bi edi egu mampeni ene ne government no enim asin sharp so edia what they about say he should enjoy the COVID-19 he should enjoy the COVID-19 some. As he said, COVID is like malaria and has come to stay with us. Ono so when he say so one na be na no eka say COVID say malaria na ye den eni ye na bet na da afebo ene ono so all enjoy be no hu say na ye COVID ya we no esi etie. I don't think that is good because into me we should be bad with a disease and sickness. Nana Jedu Ofori Sam so edia what they about saying when it is coming it is doing a ban yo. You said the easing of restrictions was based on science and data, but you and I know that the COVID-19 is serious. Bring back the restrictions and stop doing politics with COVID-19. Also, when they said the abbey the enter a year abiding answer said, "Sir, restrictions no 1 year no and no and I consider the downfall any the break of the great number of positive cases our Ghana has in Ghana na munda some of the politics now will be as some of bekenti women taking restrictions ne ban no from Ghanaians no. Champion that is so edia what they are say it's high time we respect the infrastructure Mahama built and stop calling them fantasy projects. Instead they actually exist and are saving lives, including that of our health minister. Also when he said University of Ghana Legon Medical Center no your former president John Dramani Mahama NAC enunti dubra mampeni enene dom won be dia tum say ejuma man mampeni dada John Dramani Mahama ye no ebo wo man ni pa no munyi fi o say fantasy things na wa ye na omo boa na tese omo obi other infrastructures are build there be bo man Ghana nia because even medical center no say no benefit yankasa hot minister say the coronavirus and nam sunti ama ya geno atuwo somewhere akoli edia wode about him Ekufu Ado and EC chair will be the next. They should go ahead and organize. I don't think this is good. Isaac Ofosuma for esodia wode about him. We thank God for your recovery. Honorable, don't forget to play for JDM visions. Ono so when he say honorable no want me etona won ko so campaign ma JDM because onamono so and the fear there when ya baby eda oje ayarehwe ewo eho no mamenka eye last commenter efa assembly ne emfa eye comment no ensi him or say Mami Josephine ne dia what about see minister by his stripes you are healed. You recover and continue with the credible work you are doing. God has already healed you. Still, the battle is the Lord. Because of your good words, He will never forsake you. And to all our frontliners in the fight against COVID-19, God be with you. Also, when He said, MP Nebiamusuno, Minister of Health, Mr. Peter McMenu no woye frontline at say ba no ekon aye kon etia COVID-19 ono so ejine nim ono ye minister na ma no kwan ma ne say ekon edi eye yare no so nti ono so say yare na aka na to ha na wo sre nyankopon ho banbo e de ma na yare sa so enko no so se na be ya ono so betimi aso ye fi eye ne yare paso no asa be boa e wo ejumaden aga na ye nia no ya bom aye kon edi etia coronavirus ho say ade aha and am dey comment no ebesi so na mechanical no wo so adwenche no betimi e de atudwa e wo too much GH comment section na any updates on this story no so ne be so mo e wo if you can say you so and just subscribe say one subscribe here bi so no share video we e ma adofo ebusuafo bibia wo be on bia na make sure so be follow too much GH our Instagram at too much GH_. Me dey na ama owusa aha na mmeba me kwan am di dwumede ni esi hye so nyame ya adoma ye be san edin hyemu biem makram.
Yo, too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefuo onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so e na ye de bremu one God in ye, the only one God in GH eho na de bia mehwe abrochefo ene Ghana fo mo a mo wiasa fa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH.